I tested 50 plus AI tools this month. Only 5 were actually worth it. These tools save me 10 plus hours every week, and most people don't even know they exist. Let's get into it. Number 1, Perplexity AI. This is ChatGPT with real-time web search built in. But better. What it does, searches the web automatically, gives you sources with every answer. No hallucinations like ChatGPT. Real use case. I used it yesterday. Latest React 19 features. Got updated info with documentation links. ChatGPT gave me outdated info. Best for research, staying updated, fact-checking price, free. Pro is $20 per month for unlimited. Link in description, next tool. Number 2, Notion AI. If you use Notion, this is a game changer. What it does, writes meeting notes automatically, summarizes long documents, creates action items from TextWorks inside your workspace. Real use case, I dumped a 2-hour meeting transcript. It gave me key decisions, action items with owners. Follow-up questions save me 30 minutes of note-taking. Best for project management, documentation, team collaboration. Price $10 per month add-on to Notion. If you're already using Notion, this is a no-brainer. Number 3, Gamma app PowerPoint is dead. This is the future. What it does, creates presentations from text AI, designs the slides interactive, not boring static slides. Real use case, I typed, create presentation about AI in healthcare. 10 slides. In 2 minutes, professional presentation ready. Best for presentations, pitch decks, reports. Price free for basic. Pro $8 per month. I've stopped using PowerPoint completely. Number 4, Otter.ai, never take meeting notes again. What it does, records and transcribes meetings live, identifies different speakers, creates summary with action items, integrates with Zoom, Google Meet real use case. Last week, 5 client calls. Otter recorded everything. I reviewed summaries later. Didn't miss a single detail. Best for meetings, interviews, brainstorming sessions. Price, free for 300 minutes per month. Pro $17 per month unlimited. This alone saves me 5 hours per week. Number 5, Runway MLAI video editing, mind-blowing. What it does, remove backgrounds without green screen, generate video from text, extend videos with AI color correction automatically real use case. I had a video with messy background. Runway removed it perfectly. No editing skills needed. Also used it to generate B-roll for my videos. Crazy quality. Best for content creators, video editors, marketers. Price, free trial. Plans from $12 per month. If you create video content, try this immediately. Pro tips for using AI tools. Don't use all tools. Pick 2 to 3 that fit your workflow. Start with free tiers. Test before paying. Combine tools. Perplexity for research. Notion AI for documentation. Gamma for presentation. Which tool are you trying first? Comment below. Links to all tools in the description, like this video if it helped. See you in the next one.